Specific heat-related incidents are concerned, including fans. During the opening day in Texas, over 100 people at a fan festival were treated for heat exhaustion. Similarly, Miami matches saw over 10 medical calls and multiple hospital transports for heat-related illness in a single day. Players and officials, on-field staff have succumbed to the weather. An assistant referee collapsed during a match, and a player had to be subbed out at halftime due to dizziness and dehydration. During a Texas summer opening day for fans, players and officials, you can expect daytime temperatures around 32 degrees Celsius to 36 degrees Celsius, with the heat index frequently pushing the feels like temperature to 39 degrees Celsius.
Heat exhaustion occurs when your body loses too much water and salt through sweating. Common symptoms include heavy sweating, dizziness, headache, nausea, muscle cramps, weakness, and cool, clammy skin. A person may feel tired and faint but is usually still alert. If you suspect heat exhaustion, move the person to a cool, shaded area. Loosen tight clothing, give cool water or sports drinks if they are conscious, and use wet towels or fans to help lower body temperature.